Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2023 Ford Transit equipped with the BraunAbility Power Fold-Out Lift. Let's go ahead and bring down the lift. You will first open up the door. You can then use this hand pendant here to bring the lift down. So this lift here is going to be 34 inches wide. Entrance height from the floor to the top of the door is going to be 55 inches. And as we make our way inside, this one is going to have the Ability Tracks smart flooring. It could be set up for multiple wheelchairs or a gurney. And here is the view of the back. And this van here only has 6,000 miles. Let's go ahead and come back down. Let's go ahead and check out the back. And also with this flooring here, you will be able to put these chairs on any part of the track. We also offer financing on all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans. On top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping, but if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. All of our vehicles will go through a 240-point inspection where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and, of course, service the wheelchair lift. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Let's go ahead and start up the van. So this van here has 6,000 miles. You will also have a backup camera with the beeping. Here is the view of the front. Here is the view of the back. Let's go ahead and listen to the engine.